Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I want to welcome you to my channel. And if you are watching this channel for the first time, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell icon so that you don't miss my valuable videos anytime I drop them like this. Yeah, today in this video, I'll be teaching you guys on how to remove video background without even being green background. Any kind of video you want to remove its background. So I'm going to show you all for free. You know, sometimes you have to record with green background before you can remove a video background. So with this trick I'm going to show you guys, with this website, AI website, you don't have to stress yourself. Any kind of video you can remove its background, and I'm going to show you all for free. You are not paying a dime on the website. You are not paying a dime on the website. You are getting them for free. So all you just have to do is to follow this video to the last end, because you know there are a lot I'm going to share with you. Let's just continue and see how it goes. You understand? How to register on this platform. You can use your email, you can use your Facebook, you can use whatever. But for me, I'll just be using temporary email, temp mail. Just go to Google, type temp mail, temporary email. So these temporary emails, you can use them anytime. You can use them and dispose them. You understand? So let me verify I'm a human. Let's verify this. So it's connected. So they are going to give me they'll give me my own email. Please make sure you like, subscribe and share to your friends so that they can also benefit from this video. So as it is now, I'm going to copy the email. First and foremost, you see this website that we are going to use. Let me show you. The name of the website is bgrem.media.io. I'm going to show you. I'll paste the link below. You can see the name is a little bit clumsy, but the name is bgrem.media.io. So I'm going to show you. You see the link below. So now I haven't done that. This is my email. I've copied it. This is the email. I've copied it. I'm going to do what? I'll sign up for free. As you can see, it's all free. You just need a good network. You understand? You need a good network. Make sure everything loads perfectly. So as you can see, just like what I said earlier, you can log in with your Google, your Facebook, your Instagram and your Apple ID. But as it is now, I'm going to use email. Then I copy, I'll paste it here. The password I wish to use. Let me close this. Password. So I've input the password. Now click on create account. So they'll send me my verification pin. Then I'll just check the email. So as you can see, you see it here. I'll click on it. I'll copy the verification pin. This is the verification pin, the code. So once I copy it, I'm going to paste it here. As you can see, then I'll verify the code. So your account has been created successfully. So I'm going to log in now. As you can see, my this thing has logged in. Discard the minutes, don't mind. You can do as many as you like. So that's the essence of using the temporary email. Once you are done with this, you save it. Once you save it, you can do another one as many as you like. It's not compulsory to use this email. That's why we use temporary email. Once you are done with the credits given here, you open another email, you open another account with this temporary email. You understand? So now let's start. Click on remove background. You must have gotten your video, the one you want to remove your background ready. So as for me, I have downloaded one from just Pixels. You understand? So this is the video I want to remove its background. This is the original. I want you guys to see it. So this is the original. So I'm going to close it now. So I just have to do is I will just drag it here. I'll drag and drop it here. So it's going to upload. Hope you guys have seen the original copy. As you can see, it's uploading and it's processing. So as it is now, we have a lot of things we can do here. Let's let the process go done. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video to your friends so that they can also benefit, and give us a thumbs up so that we keep continue providing such videos. Understand? So it's processing, it's about to finish, so let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. It's processing. It's almost done. 82. All we just need is a strong and good network. So once the network is okay, everything doesn't take time, we are good to go. Three. It's almost done. It's almost done. Hang on while the finishing process. Blah blah blah. So as I was saying, once the credits given to us is done, once we exhaust it, you can go and open another account. Just goes to temporary email. Temporary email is a disposable email. You understand? So we just dispose it. But what we just have to do is make sure we download the videos. I will show you guys on how to do so. We download the video. So, and almost done. Almost done. So yes, as you can see, you see the original video the other time. See this video now. Unlike before, it's a green background. It must have a green background before let's watch this. Before we can remove background, can you see any kind of background now? We can remove it. You can remove them. You have white, you have green, you have purple, you have black. So one of the functions that I like most here is you can even put pictures to be our background. You understand? As you can see, so that we can perfect our videos. Can you see? You can put pictures. If it is colors we want to use, you can use colors. As you can see it now to make everything perfect. And another feature is that if you want to upload an image to be a background, you can upload it. Can you see it? You can upload it. So but for me, I don't have any image here to use, so we can upload any image. You have colors, we can choose colors. If you have any, you see it. So can you see? Check this. See how perfect it is. And once we are done, what do we need to do? Just come to this download. It's guard anything, whatever they say here, blah blah blah. So that's what I'm telling you, that we have this available course all the other time. So you don't need anything. Just download whatever we want to download here, and it's going to download. Download is going to start now. Okay, full download. You don't need a partial download. Notify me when I'm ready. So it may take about, that's its network. It's going to download now. So with this, we can remove any kind of video background. We can remove them. As you can see, it's downloading. So let me open it. Can you see it? And if you check the original video, it's 11 seconds all the time. Can you see it? So that is how to remove any kind of video background from this website for free without paying a dime. If you want to do another things, you can do it. If you want, you understand? So that is that. And once again, the name of the website is, I will tag it below, vidbjrem.media.io. You understand? So that is the end of this video. Please, if you are still watching, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel so that other people can also